Hi guys, in this video lecture we are going to study some advanced business information systems. First one is Artificial Intelligence System or AI system. Robotics is an area of artificial intelligence in which machines take over complex, dangerous, routine or boring tasks such as building car frames or assembling computer systems and components. Vision systems allow robots and other devices to have sight and to store and process visual images. Natural language processing involves the ability of computers to understand and act on verbal or written commands in English, Spanish, or other human languages. Okay? Learning systems give computers the ability to learn from past mistakes or experiences, such as playing games or making business decisions. And neural networks is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to recognize and act on patterns or trends. Some successful stock, options, and future traders use neural networks to spot trends and make them more profitable with their investments. So, overall, artificial intelligence systems are really helping business to grow. Okay? Next one is expert systems. Expert systems give the computer the ability to make suggestions and act like an expert in a particular field. The unique value of expert systems is that they allow organizations to capture and use the wisdom of experts and specialists. Therefore, years of experience and specific skills are not completely lost when a human expert dies, retires, or leaves for another job. Expert systems can be applied to almost any field or discipline. Expert systems have been used to monitor complex systems such as nuclear reactors, perform medical diagnosis, locate possible repair problems, design and configure IS components, perform credit evaluations, and develop marketing plans for a new product or new investment strategies. The collection of data, rules, procedures, and relationships that must be followed to achieve value or the proper outcome is contained in the expert systems knowledge base. Okay, this is all about expert system. Okay. Next one is virtual reality. Virtual reality is the simulation of a real or imagined environment that can be experienced visually in 3 dimensions. Virtual worlds can be animated, interactive, and shared. A variety of input devices such as head-mounted displays, data gloves, joysticks, and handheld wands allow the user to navigate through a virtual environment and to interact with virtual objects. Directional sound, tactile and force feedback devices, voice recognition, and other technologies are used to enrich the immersive experience. Several people can share and interact in the same environment. Because of this ability, virtual reality can be a powerful medium for communication, entertainment, and learning. As you can see here in the picture on the left, it is a head-mounted display, and towards the right, it is a data glove. Okay, thank you so much.